Any mention?
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 1919. I'm praying for some accommodation in this matter, my Lord. It's still pending before the division bench.
Yes.
No objection, Your Honor.
I'm praying for 4 weeks, my Lord.
Prayer made by Learned Counsel of the Petitioner. Disseminate. 3 weeks. No. 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Please. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 20, the last item in the list. Quashing of a POCSO case, Lordship, involving love and marriage.
After 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Yes.
3 weeks. Yes.
obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship. Daily cost list. Supplementary cost list. Item number 1.
Pernah ya Tuhan, Lord.
Yes. What is this matter?
May it please your Lord.
Oh, these are those land acquisition matters.
Lordship, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, my costless.
Time was sought for preparation of the draft final award, Lordship.
Lordship, WPC number 352.
Yes.
Then that is item number 1.
Yes.
Then WPC number 408, that is item number 2. WPC number 409, this is number 3. Number 4 is WPC number 410. Number 5, WPC 411. Number 6, WPC number 418. Then 7, WPC number 419. Then number 8, WPC number 420. Then number 9, WPC number 430. Then number 10, WPC number 32 of 22. 11, WPC number 451. Then number 12, WPC number 490 of 2018. These relate to Bakmaraya Lordship.
Okay.
These relate to Bakmaraya
Those
Lordship.
matters,
Lordship.
proceeding has been ruled.
Lordship, in fact, I have the instruction, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly have the instruction. If Lordship kindly after this,
So this has been, okay, 14th October.
it start from the next, that is the letter dated 14 October 2025.
Yes.
This has been issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Revenue and to the Joint Secretary. Then Lordship kindly have the next page, that is a prelim notification dated 14 October 25.
Yes.
Then Lordship kindly have that next, that is in the local language, that means the Karo language, Your Lordship. And then Lordship kindly have 28 October 25, that is the public notice issued by the Deputy Commissioner.
Yes.
Lordship, may I read it, Your Lordship? In pursuant to of by letter number received from the Joint Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, this department regarding preliminary notification under Section 11, read with Section 40 of the right to fair compensation and transparency in rehabilitation and result.
Yes, all right. It's all right. Do not have to read the whole lot.
Then all, Lordship, kindly see there next. All persons interested in the land are accordingly required to file their objection within 45 days.
Yes.
So the process is on, Your Lordship.
So far as those writ petitions
Lordship.
can be closed on the basis of
Lordship. Then
What
then,
about the next page? This
then-
is also 28th.
The next writ petition, Your Lordship, that is
Wait, just a minute. There are two notifications dated 28th October. Two public
Lordship,
notifications.
that is in the local language, Your Lordship. Lordship
Okay,
and myself who will not understand. Then Lordship kindly have the next item, that is item number 13 and 14. Item 13 and 14. Lordship, these two, that is WPC number 27 of 2019 and item 14, WPC number of 563 of 2019, this relates to Ampati, Your Lordship. So Ampati,
563.
13 and 14, Your Lordship, that is writ petition number 27
and WPC number 563. Yes.
and 5. This relate to Ampati, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have placed, if Lordship recollect, on the last date we have placed instruction. That, Your Lordship, if Lordship kindly have that instruction.
Yes, just tell us.
That is the letter dated 23 October 2025.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Lordship, kindly have second paragraph of that letter. However, Lordship has seen it. However, to prepare the final draft, or certain section of the Act are required to be followed as per one step has been initiated for South Karo Hills. In the case of Southwest Karo Hill, Ampati draft have been forwarded to the Ministry of Home Affairs as the land acquisition proceedings are completed in all respect. So it has been completed, Your Lordship. So now, so far, these two writ petitions, that is WPC number 27 and WPC number 563, Your Lordship, this the ball lie with the Government of India, Your Lordship.
Yes, so far as the other things, this
Lordship,
all other
yes.
writ petition,
Now they can go
you
and
can close
file
it
their
on the basis
objection.
of this.
My Lord, I pray let the State Council or State Respondent bring on record by a short affidavit.
This is an official
But
notification.
we don't have the copy.
This is a public document.
if
It
they
is
have a-
admissible in evidence.
If they provide the copy to us, at least we'll take the instruction.
Yes, you can have a copy of it.
Yes, my Lord. And according to Lordship, will fix the matter for passing final order. It's a long pending matter.
Definitely, you see, we cannot do. Read court has a limitation. Cannot.
Lordship,
pass
if
any
my
direction
friend
on
have
this.
a
You
doubt
should
on
be
this,
satisfied with that. Your case all along before the court was that the land was taken over and no compensation was paid. Now the notification has been issued and you have to file your claim. That is all. Yes, definitely. We will
Supply
do
the
that.
copy or bring on record in affidavit.
Okay.
ano, kung haba ka na.
Heard learned counsel appearing for the parties.
In fact, my lord, we want to pray that the learned AG or the state respondent bring on record by way of short affidavit.
This is public document.
This is a public
Bring on
document.
record.
Court can
Filing on
take
affidavit.
judicial notice of it,
you.
dear Lord.
It's not that we are going to file a counter. It is not for that purpose. It's
There's
just
no
for the
question
purpose
of
of bringing on
filing counter
record.
also.
We're not filing counter.
See, the thing is that you have this copy of this. That is enough.
But,
If you have this copy, then what?
so that, my lord, they will not backdrag earlier.
Who?
Lordship, we kindly see.
What is the question of that?
It is a long pending matter.
We'll take notice of that. We'll record in our order. That will be good enough.
If they don't backtrack, well and good. It's a long
We
drawn.
do not know what
Long
purpose
pending
you
matter, that's
basically. What is your purpose of asking that? Just tell us. Explain us.
My lord,
Then
seeking for
if you
compensation.
can explain us, then we'll maybe we may allow you.
Seeking for compensation, and now Lordship, the
Definitely.
lot has been taken over. The Lordship can fix a time frame so that they can complete the land acquisition process.
That law will take its own course. The period is prescribed in the act itself.
The act itself.
That is true, but if the authority delay, Lordship can exercise the Lordship jurisdiction also. It's a case that the authority delayed the matter for a long time. If it is a fresh
See,
acquisition,
this
we
is
will
a
understand.
notification has been issued, a fresh notification.
That
Now
is
it will take its own course. Where is the question? Can we override the statutory stipulation?
No, no.
Then
But Lordship can give a time frame. It is not a fresh
we will not
acquisition.
give any
my lord.
time frame when time frame is prescribed by the
If
act.
they, my
itself.
lord, if they are going to take a new plot, conduct a survey,
That is what. That is,
conduct a survey, everything,
Under the
then
act
that is
itself.
another. But they have taken over the plot long
so
ago.
let's see, Mr. Sangre should make some prayer which will be acceptable. Otherwise, not. We cannot. The statute provides the time limit. Statute prescribes.
Time limit is that we
Where is the
don't
question
dispute that.
of fixing any other time limit over and above what has been prescribed in the statutory? We cannot.
No, no, there are some cases where the Honorable Court see that there is a delay. In order to delay, Court
I
used
do
to
not
give a
know
time frame.
what purpose will be served by those. See,
Court used to give a time frame.
What is the relief claim in the writ petition, Your Lordship? In some of the writ petition, pay compensation or bucket the land.
no, we will
That
give
is
them.
their
time.
relief
See,
claim in the
kindly
writ
supply
petition,
them a
Your
copy of
Lordship.
this. We will not
Your
close the
Lordship,
matter
yes.
today.
My lord,
We will allow them to have in their instruction.
Lordship, yes.
with great respect, my
Lordship.
lord, with great respect, my lord, if the authority take over the land of the citizen, sit over for a long time, and they realize the mistake and go for acquisition, the Honorable Court, or High Court or Supreme Court used to give a time frame also. I can place no judgment if Lordship decides. Here is the case they have taken over long ago.
See, is it not that the discretion by the court?
Oh, absolutely.
That is all.
Absolutely.
This court is not at all inclined
Absolutely.
at this stage.
That is absolute. I'm urging for exercising Lordship jurisdiction only.
We can understand, but then there has to be a basis. You should be satisfied that they have taken step. At least this is a
They have
new
taken
case.
steps.
14th October 2025. they
Lordship,
have
true Lordship intervention.
So that is what. And we are in the month of November. You should not be that much impatient. We do not expect that from a senior counsel at least.
Lord, it is a, because of the situation, the case.
Okay, let us finish the thing here. Before the thing gets. Anyway, Art Learning Council for the parties. Then next, Mr. Andy Shulai.
Kini ang party say na region. Ang party.
On instruction submits.
Maksud.
That acquisition proceeding.
Kani ang mga ada.
In relation to land situated in the name of the villages are reflected in
Lordship, if Lordship kindly have the notification issued by the Deputy Commissioner.
on 28th April, isn't it?
Lordship, yes.
Okay, in the villages.
Lordship, that has been indicated in the first paragraph itself.
Yes. That Bandapara, it starts from Bandapara, isn't it?
Lordship, yes. Bandapara
Okay.
till Wakesek.
Yes. What is it, Mr. Raji? Villages of. Then you take the name of these villages from this mark thing. These are written in bold. Okay. Villages of so and so in district of South Garo Hills. In relation to the land acquired for erection of border fencing. Has been initiated and the necessary notification under section you have given two notices. One is in vernacular, then court goes to vernacular. Then
That's why.
under section 11 within bracket 1 read with section 40 of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. Has been issued. Step. He submits that the said notification has been followed by another public notice dated 28/10/2025. Issued wide memo number just tell us he said submits that this said notification has been followed by public notice issued under section 21 of the said act. By memo number so and so. If we repeat some words, just omit these things. Has been issued inviting objections from all person interested in the land sought to be acquired. Step. He submits. Then in view of the issuance of the aforesaid public notices, the prayer made in WPC number of 2020, WPC number 408 of 2021, WPC number 409 of 2021, then 410 of 2021, 11 of 2021, 18 of 2021, 19 of 2021, 20 of 2021, then 430 of 2021, 32 of 2022, then 451 of 2022, and 490 of 2018. What is it? In view of the notification issued, I say the writ petition number so and so and so and so and so. Made in so and so. No, has been taken care of. And there remains nothing to be decided. Stop. It therefore prays these writ petitions. Maybe closed as infructuous. Learning counsel appearing for the petitioners. Writ petition. Place for supply of copy of the related notifications. Then the learned GA shall supply.
Already supplied.
We've received.
Already supplied, Your Lordship.
We've received.
Okay, okay. Then just say that this.
We've received.
So just say the learned counsel appearing on the petitioner submits that they have received the aforesaid notifications only today, and pray for grant of some time to take necessary instructions. Is prayer allowed? Then give a paragraph. Prayer allowed. Just say. Next paragraph you say, insofar as the writ petition number 27 of
27 of 2019 and 563 of 2019, Your Lord.
are concerned, comma, the learned AG submits the draft awards have been prepared
And forwarded to the
Ministry of
Ministry
Home
of
and
Home
Home
Affairs,
Affairs.
Your Lordship.
that the litigation proceedings are completed in all aspects in the district since long. And once the compensation is placed with the collector, comma, the same can be disbursed to the landowners. Yes, Dr. Mojiga, now you have to say.
I'll have it this, at what stage this is.
This is stuff in this regard. Dr.
Afterward also what they forwarded.
If it has gone there,
has
but
gone
then,
there.
you see, you can adjust in between. I don't think you need a judicial order for that.
But
I think, see, you do not have a conflict, isn't it? You are not in the, you do not have a conflicting stand.
This
Yes,
is a communication to the council.
yes. It's okay, but then you can pursue it with from your office. You can pursue, approach AG's office. I don't think, you see, like you have to. I do not know whether Mr. Sulai is in possession of those or not.
No, I don't have, right now I don't have,
that
Your
case,
Lordship.
I
These
don't
are the
know.
only instruction I
So why
do
don't
have.
you use your own thing? Because in such a case, you have called to.
I'll find out whether they received it.
Just cannot use the AG's office as post office, something like that. Call from there and
Only
then.
forwarded later without the content.
You have to get it from your client, isn't it? Once your client has received, your client has received. Anyway, in this regard, stop. What you said? Vajika, under DSGI appearing for the Union of India. Prays for some time to obtain necessary instruction. There also, the prayer is also allowed. The prayer made is also allowed. Stop. As prayed for, 2 weeks. 2 weeks will be all right. Initially thought of we'll segregate those matters. Now since it has taken a shape
Lordship, I took
and the
pain
relief has been
to.
granted, you see, We do not know in those cases, those empathy cases, probably if they do not act, we may pass a direction.
Lordship, I took pain to
Yes.
to read all the file and make a note, Your Lordship, so that
In these empathy cases, we may pass a direction if Union of India do not act in such a case, we can pass in the line prayer made by the senior counsel here. But in other cases, I don't think that we have to do anything. Because this is a new thing. You may retain your claim and all.
Lordship discretion is a lordship discretion. Let me take instruction, my lord.
Definitely, we do not know. We could not understand what is the purpose of, you see, asking that. Why you see like probably
But
the law will take
even
care.
if lordship declined to
The
give a
law
time frame,
prescribes time. If you find that that has not been done in time, then you have the opportunity.
even if lordship do not want to give a time frame, lordship may direct that the proceeding must be complete
have
in
a
accordance with law. In
See,
accordance with
proceeding in accordance with law, that will be done.
Lordship may
That
make
we can
no
say. There is no problem in it.
yes,
If,
Just
let
2
us
weeks,
see. Let us see. You have your instruction.
yes, yes.
oblige, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 15.
If there is any grammatical error in construction of sentence, just correct it.
My lord, this matter, lordship has heard the matter at length, and all the parties have submitted the written note also. And lordship fixed today for a brief reiteration of the submission.
The state was also asked to supply a copy, my lord.
What are the matter about?
It's appointment of a SSC teacher, science teacher. Petitioner was appointed 2014, continued. In 2017-18, there was change of managing committee, and the then headmaster
Are they not
was
one of the main
inducted
councils, my lord?
as a science teacher. And the approval granted the petitioner was cancelled and terminated without any show cause notice.
Okay. How many writ petitions are there?
Two writ petitions are there filed by the same writ petitioner.
One is for payment of salary.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. And we come to after we file this one, they file affidavit showing all the termination orders and the proceeding.
So the
we
decision
challenge.
passed in the second case will cover your first
Yes,
case.
yes. We'll come.
Okay. It is submitted. Who is there for the private respondent?
My lord,
Mr.
are
Nath
they
is
not?
there.
I don't see him today.
Prakarnath, I saw him outside, but maybe on the lake.
If he had to close the hearing, he should be here at least.
Just
Nobody is there.
end of the pot, we'll just send my junior colleague to call him.
But up to you, just see.
She'll try, my colleague will try to find out, my lord.
Yes, see in his office. And I will place only one judgment, madam, where this Supreme Court clearly held that.
Is it a part of your?
But that judgment is not reflected in the written notes.
No, but then
But I can supply this
During
as
the course
decision.
of the hearing, of course, we have not relied on any judgments as such.
Because
If my friend is supplying, then we may also have the liberty to,
See,
my lord.
that is what the problem is, Mr. Sangresh.
Let them submit any judgment if they like, madam.
We'll
You
submit
do
it
one
straight
thing.
to the court.
We'll do one thing. Then we'll not close it today. We'll keep it for next week. You exchange. Give him a
I can
surprise.
provide. Yes, I can provide. No, fair enough.
Yes, Mr. Devnath, you have closed. You have submitted your written.
Already,
Yes, the learned counsel appearing with the parties submit that they have. Learning counsel appearing with the submit that they have submitted their respective
I
written
can provide the judgment to both the
Notes of-
esteemed colleague.
We have relied on one judgment.
argument. Aspirate for list this matter in the next week. Just have it in the next week. Just give a copy and then.
Yes, yes.
He's supplied us a list of the
Yes.
citation.
Now they can go through if they want
We're
to go
doing
through.
it, but then if you want us to pass a judicial order, we'll do it. But then we do it on the unvisible list. We are just simply keeping it in the next week for doing this. Supply to Mr. Devnath also. or
Yes,
whatever.
I've given him.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. In the next.
Yes. Okay.
My lord, item 15 and 16.
Let's spread for by this thing. List the matter in the next week to enable the parties to submit authorities in support of their contention. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Okay.
17.
Yes, there's some copy of the scheme to be supplied.
Yes, my lord.
Was it
Via
supplied?
order dated 3rd July, my lord, the
Yes.
lordship has allowed the petitioner
On the
to...
last occasion also you have passed the same order.
My
Has
lord,
it been
yes.
done?
No, my lord. I have not received any copy from their side, my lord.
They are absent.
They are
What
not
to
here.
do? If this goes on like this, one day they are absent, next day they will come and ask for time, they again next day they are absent. Of course, on previous occasions they are present.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
have it, this thing. When shall we have it?
My lord, after 2 weeks, my lord. This will be the
Yes.
7th time, my lord, after that order has been passed for them to file an affidavit.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. Yes. Yes, our colonial learned. You are not GA
As an
here.
advocate, my lord, for corporation.
Appearing for you are appearing for all the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
Appearing for the respondent is present. It appears that the petitioner. Any forget it. Just list. We'll pass a new order in presence of the just so in presence also list after 2 weeks.
17. Sorry, 18.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm seeking for some accommodation in this matter today, Lordship. Lordship, it's a joint prayer. Both of our seniors are not available today.
And joint prayer made by the parties. When?
Lordship, after 3 weeks.
List. Joint prayer made by the parties. List after 3 weeks. All right, please.
Obliged, Lordship.
No more.